Strap yourself in and hold on tight because it's Mr. Strauss Podcast.
For July 26th, on this day in Disney history. On this day in 1951, Disney's 13th animated feature film, Alice in Wonderland, has its world premiere in England at London's Leicester Square Theatre. It will be released in the United States 2 days later. The film is based on Lewis Carroll's books, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland and Through the Looking Glass. The film's voice cast features Katheryn Beaumont as Alice.
If I had a world of my own, everything would be nonsense. Nothing would be what it is, because everything would be what it isn't. And contrariwise, what it is, it wouldn't be. And what it wouldn't be, it would.
Ed Wynn as the Mad Hatter.
Now, statistics prove that you've one birthday. But there are 364 on-birthdays.
Sterling Holloway as Cheshire Cat.
You know, we could make her really angry. Shall we try?
Oh, no!
Oh, but it's loads of fun.
And Bill Thompson as White Rabbit.
I'm late for a very important date. No time to say hello, goodbye. I'm late.
The film will be nominated for an Academy Award for Best Scoring of a Musical Picture. Attending this premiere is Walt Disney and Katheryn Beaumont, dressed as Alice.